Hello guys, it's Ritik Roy from Roy Education World. Today we have to study chapter Refraction of Light. Topic lens. What is a lens? Lens is a transparent medium which consists of two faces in which at least one face is spherical or curved. Let us see here. A transparent medium consists of two faces in which at least one face is curved. What is a transparent medium mean? A medium or object that allow light to easily pass through it is known as transparent medium. There are varieties of lenses are available in our environment. Water also behaves like a lens. See here, there are various diagrams of lens. Okay. There are two types of lenses: convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens, a lens in which at least one face is bulging outward. What it means outward? Means that something like this. It's go bulging outwards, or it is a converging lens. What it means of converging lens? Converging lens means it's after refraction, it converges all the ray at a single point. And concave lens, it is a lens in which curve is inward. Inward means something like this. Okay? Or it is a diverging lens. What is the meaning of diverging lens? After refraction, it diverges all the ray in different directions. Okay, see here. Convex lens. It is a lens in which at least one face is bulging outward. Outward means this. See this is bulging outwards. And converging lens, it is a converging means after refraction. After refraction, it converges all the ray at a single point. At a single point is known as converging lens. Let us see concave lens. It is a lens in which at least one face is curved inward. Inward means this. It is going to be inside. So it is inward. Inward. It is a diverging lens. Diverging lens means it diverges the rays after refraction. Okay. Here, if rays of light come, then it go to diverge. It diverges. Okay. Now let us see. There are two center of curvature in lens and two focus. Let us see why there are two center of curvature in lens and two focus in lens. See here. Lens is taken from the spherical mirror. From a sphere. See here, it is a sphere. It is two sphere. Then here is center. It is known as center of curvature, or this is center of curvature. Okay, when we coside this, some part of this sphere coside, then what happened? Then it form something like a structure like this. And we know that when our lens is bulging outward, is known as convex lens. Convex lens. Or we know that lens is consists of two faces. Here it is consists of two faces. Okay, this is a mirror. Okay, and this is a mirror. Then this is a mirror. Then it has also a center of curvature. It has also a center of curvature. See here, it is a mirror. It is a mirror and it has a center of curvature. Okay, it has a center of curvature and it has also a focus. It is also a focus. What is the center of curvature for a mirror? Center of curvature is center of a sphere which a mirror is a part. So here is a center of curvature first, and it is also a mirror. We know that the lenses consist of two faces, so it has also a focus here and it has also a center of curvature. Okay, now let us see. There are two center of curvature. Center of curvature, here is focus and here is focus. So it is a second center of curvature, and the first and the second. Let us see here a diagram. It is a and it is formed, so it has two center of curvature. Okay, let us see new term, optical center. Optical center is a midpoint of a lens here, or we say when a ray of light come and it after refraction it do not deviate, is known as optical center. If ray of light come from here, it do not deviate. If a ray of light come from here, do not deviate. A ray of light come from here, do not deviate. But a ray of light come from here, then it deviate. A ray of light come from here, it deviate. And what is its focus? Whenever a light come to parallel to principal axis, after reflection or refraction, it cut the principal axis at a point is known as focus. And what is a principal axis in the case of lens? Principal axis or imaginary line which is passing through first center of curvature to second center of curvature is known as principal axis. Now see the case of concave lens. Here we have to see the case of concave lens. Okay, it is a sphere. This is a sphere and this is also a sphere. Here it is forming concave lens. Concave lens. Then it has also center and it has also center and it has a focus, and this mirror has a focus, and the imaginary line passing through first center of curvature to second center of curvature is known as principal axis. Okay, C1, C2, F1, F2, and we know that a point middle of a lens from which a ray of light pass and that not deviate. Here it is a midpoint of a lens. Here the line is not going to be deviate, but of a ray of light come from here, it go deviate. Okay, so today we have see lens and the type of lens. In next video we are going to see raw diagram of lens and the image formation by lens. Okay.